Hi, in today's video, I thought I would share with you a great Gua Sha lymphatic drainage routine for the neck and also the facial area. This will also help remove toxins and waste within the lymph area, as well as help with glowing skin. Now, first things first, I'm Ali and I've been a facialist for the last 7 years, and I'm really passionate about lymphatic drainage, facial massage, and also face yoga. Now, I like to start off with clean skin, and I'm using a little bit, just get some here, some facial oil. You don't have to use facial oil whilst using a gua sha tool, but I do tend to find you end up with a bit more of a better slip and glide. But also, if you're using a facial oil or even your facial serum, whatever you apply to your face and neck, by using the gua sha, it tends to sort of penetrate in even better and deeper. So I'm just very gently applying all along the face with the facial oil and also the neck. So first thing I'm going to do is where our collarbone is, we have some indentations, and I'm just going to give those a few gentle presses. And we're just going to start off getting the lymph literally moving. And then with the flat of the hand, because we have more surface area, I'm just gently massaging where the collarbone is and on the other side. And then with our gua sha tool here, now this one is a jade. They also come in various different type of materials. You can get rose quartz and various others. You also want to make sure it's nice and clean and has been washed beforehand. You don't want to be transferring any bacteria from the tool onto your face. So nice clean gua sha tool. And where the ear is at the front here, using this part here, and I'm using it fairly flat. If you like, you can use it at an angle, but I like flat for more surface area. And I'm just very gently gliding down the front of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then the back of the ear. Nice, light, feather-light touch. And then where the longer part is here, you can literally cup it behind the ear, and you just want to glide it down this big SCM muscle, down by the side of the neck, down to the collarbone. Again, we have lymph nodes here. Let's just do this 5 times on this side here first. Okay, nice, light and gentle. And then on the other side. So again, I like to use the top part, and then just by the side of the ear, just gently glide, getting everything going and moving. And then at the back of the ear. And then the longer part, cupping behind the ear and just gently glide down that big muscle down to the collarbone. I always want to swallow when I'm doing this. You can literally feel things moving along. And one last time. So then I'm just going to take the long parts here and starting from the collarbone, just lifting in an upwards motion towards the jawline and the chin area, and then working my way slowly along. Remembering to keep the shoulders nice and relaxed and no tension in the face. So now let's work on the jawline area. So I'm now taking this part here, placing my hand as an anchor, placing it literally the middle part between the jaw. So we're now gently gliding along the jawline. And again, we have plenty of lymph nodes, and just gently gliding all the way along towards the ear. We'll do this 5 times on each side. And last time on this side. And then on the other side, fingers as an anchor, gliding along, slow and mindful towards the ear. Now you can, if you like, take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really also help with oxygen to the neck and the head area. By doing this, we're also almost double bobbling, so you're also helping with any fine lines and wrinkles by smoothing everything out as well. And then where the chin is here, I'm going to use the top parts here and just very gently gliding down the chin area. And then along the jawline again. Just a couple of times on that side and then on the other. Then placing the flat part of the bottom, if you like, I'm just going to give on the chin here in the middle just a few gentle round motion massages one way and then the other. This is a great acupressure point. And then where the corner of the mouth is, just above here, again, just a nice circular motion, great acupressure point. And then the other way. And then on the other side. And then the other way. And then between the nose and the mouth, again, great acupressure point. So just nice circular motion one way and then the other. And then with the long part here again, just very gently gliding along towards the ears, moving any toxins and waste. And again, if you like, you can use your fingers just as an anchor so you're not stretching at the skin. And then on the other side. Again, if you like, you can have it slightly more at an angle, but I personally like to have it nice and flat and mindful. And one last time. And then with the parts here, the top parts, just where the eye is, you want this part where the bone is, and a very, very delicate touch along the bone, under the eye, towards the temples. And one last time. And then on the other side. Two more times. Now, if you don't have a Gua Sha tool, you can still do this using your hands. And I will also place something it is in the description box down below. So if you do need to buy one, you can have a look there as well. So now let's just work on the forehead area. So I'm working from the middle, hands as an anchor again, and just gently gliding now along the forehead towards the temples. Nice, light, delicate touch. And then on the other side. And then where the end is here, just between our eyes, just give that a nice circular motion. You may feel sleepy at this point. This is a really great acupressure point and really calms down the nervous system. And then again, just a couple of times, just massage it out on one side from the middle of the forehead towards the temple, and then on the other. And then with the parts here, I just like to glide down the side of the head and again down the front of the ear and then the back of the ear. Nice light touch. And then with this part here, cupping behind the ear and the back, and just gently glide down to the collarbone. And then just come along under a little bit further along from the ear to the back of the neck, the nape of the neck, and again just glide down a bit, and then just glide down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, coming along, gliding down towards the front of the ear where we have those lymph nodes. And then the back of the ear. Nice, light and mindful. And then cupping just under the ear and gliding down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone, ready for our final lymphatic drainage release. And one more time. And then just working along a little bit more, just behind the back of the head here, between the head and the neck. Come down and then gliding down the SCM muscle. And then from our chin all the way down, literally our starting point where our collarbone is, we have some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the whole of the lymphatic, throughout the whole of the facial and the neck area, using our Gua Sha tool to go into the body ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And tell me how you found this massage using our lymphatic drainage using our Gua Sha tool. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.